Do foreigners who open an investment fund in the USA have to pay taxes?
Yes, they pay taxes for the profits that they get or they receive from the trading that they do in the US. It's exactly the same as if you buy a property in the USA. If you buy real estate in the USA and you sell it, and there is a profit in that sale, you have to pay taxes. You have to file a tax return and then pay taxes on that. Same thing applies for stocks or funds. Usually a fund, when it's open, the fund has, according to the strategy, fund can invest in real estate, can invest in the stock market, can invest in Forex, can invest in Bitcoin, can invest in art, can invest in ongoing businesses. That depends of the investors. But we have to treat every single asset or every different kind of asset that the fund is going to invest in as an asset that is going to be taxable if the asset, when sold, produces profit. If there are profits, there are taxes. Now, in the case of particularly in a foreigner case, whenever there is a foreigner and the fund is formed as an LLC, that is basically the activity, not the activity, the corporate form, the corporate entity form that is of a preference. If the LLC, if the fund and the investment fund is open as an LLC, the IRS requires that all or every single foreign investor, foreign partner in that investment fund needs to report taxes, not at the end of the year, but every single quarter. That's a requirement that started in 2000, like 3 or 5 years ago. The IRS requires that LLCs, limited liability companies or LLCs with foreign partners are obligated. The LLC, not the partner, the LLC is obligated, the investment fund is obligated to withhold 15% of the profits, 30% of the profits of that foreign partner and submit that to the IRS. So it is not only that they pay taxes, foreign partners pay taxes for the investment activity, for the profits from investment activities in the USA. It is that in addition of paying taxes, they have to pay taxes in advance, meaning that every quarter from that foreign partner, 30% of the whatever the income is allocated to that foreign partner, 30% of that income is withheld and submitted or given or sent to the IRS in that particular quarter. Okay. If that is not provided, the IRS can impose penalties because there is a requirement and it's not being fulfilled. That's why it's very important that when you are considering forming an investment fund in the USA, you get all this information, and when you apply your strategy for investment, your investors, the foreign investors, know that they are going to be taxed many times, like 4 times in the year, and then at year end they will have to file a tax return to claim or to reclaim the monies that are withheld in excess from the IRS.